Hello there, this is Velvet with Empowering Moments, and I'm here with a DIY project. And today I'm going to make my personal size fire pit. My personal size fire pit to go outside on my my table outside, my coffee table outside. And I just wanted something just small enough to give a little ambiance, but also if I want to do some personal s'mores, maybe s'mores for two, then I can do it in this personal size. Now, I have seen the personal size fire pits online, and they run anywhere from $50 to $100. But I'm going to try my hand at doing this. I had a flower pot already and my garage, so I figured I'm going to use what I have. I had some rocks outside in the front, so I'm just going to take the rocks and I'm going to just place them down into the container. I'm going to put the rocks now. You can use sand and then rocks, and I'm not sure if that's better or worse. I'll find out, but I'm going to put the bigger rocks down at the bottom, and I'm just going to, just go ahead and place them in there. And sand probably would have been good, but I'm trying to do this on a budget, and I have some little small pebbles from the dollar store, but these are rocks from my outside, from my front yard, so I didn't have to spend any extra money on these. I already had them. But the pebbles I bought from the dollar store, Dollar Tree, and I bought 3 packs of those, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use them all, but I did buy 3 packs. But these are some nice size rocks, and they're, like I said, in my front yard. So I'm just going to put those in there and to give it some height. And I'm thinking that this should be pretty safe since they are rocks. There's nothing for them to really catch fire to. I was looking for the black rocks from the dollar store, but they didn't have any. So I just bought some pebbles. But I'm going to take these and I'm going to, hopefully this will work. And I just want to see how it turns out. And if it doesn't turn out right, then I'll just take them out and start over again. But this is my DIY project. Ooh, that's pretty heavy. Wow, that's heavy. So I'm just going to empty that. Empty those rocks in there. And I don't want this to take too long, but I just wanted a little something so when I'm outside, I just have that ambiance. Now, what I did was we do a lot of entertaining, so I had these little chafing fuel things. So I'm going to just kind of sit that right there, just sit it right there in the top, and then I'm going to add some more rocks, and I'm going to put the rocks all around it, just keep it stationary. So I'm just going to add the rocks to keep it stationary. And I may even be able to give it a little more height, which might be good. And I think I might, but I kind of want to hide it a little bit. So this may work. I may not even need that third bag. We'll see. So then I put the rocks there. As you can see, the rocks are in there, and then that's there. And I can, I could add more rocks if I needed to, but I think this will be fine. And then I'm just going to light it, hopefully. Hope I don't need a fire extinguisher. But let's see what happens. And then, I can probably make some s'mores or something. Let's see if it's going to catch on. And it did. So now if you have a larger container, you can maybe, if you have maybe a rectangular one, you maybe can put 3 of these or 2. And I probably could have gotten 2 in here, but 1 is fine. I just want a personal size one so that I would be able to just have an ambiance outside. And and I think that's cute. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set up a little s'more station, and I'll do a video on that, but I'm going to set up a s'more station and, have s'mores for two. What do you think about that? I absolutely love it. So that is my personal. So instead of going spending a whole bunch of money, you have things that I'm sure that are in your garage or your storage room that you're not using, containers, and this is perfectly safe. You have the rocks to kind of shield everything. And when you're ready to just put it out, then you just use your topper or you just snuff it out, blow it out. So that is my DIY project on my personal size tabletop fire pit, if you will, or s'mores maker. Be blessed. Thank you for choosing to watch Empowering Moments with Velvet. I hope that you like the content that I'm giving. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. I love you guys. Be blessed and stay safe.